Welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. Big up to all our viewers and subscribers. I know we weren't posting for a while, so we apologize for that, but we're back now. All right, so today we are going to be talking to a gentleman. People call him Bigga. I'm not too sure of his correct name right now, but he's a farmer and he's also a herbalist. So we are going to be talking to him, so stay tuned for that. But please remember to like, share, and to subscribe and to hit the post notification bell. So once we upload a new video, you will be notified. So let's get into that video. Around here, so it's Cowick Park as well. Okay, so we're heading to Cowick Park. We're actually going to speak to Bill Hill. Okay. So, viewers and subscribers, this road leads to Cowick Park because as you can see before, we would have crossed the bridge to get over this side. So, this hill here is actually Bill Hill. So, we're very close to Cowick Park. And this road also will lead you to St. Elizabeth, so Balaclava. I think you can drive here to get to Mandeville as well. So we're pretty much just showing you the area as we walk, as it takes us a little time to get up to the gentleman that we're going to talk to today. And we had to cross that treacherous bridge. So see you when we get there. The place is cool and nice though. Woo. Bigga, how you do? Oh Lord, so we meet you up on the road. Oh my God. How the eye?
Make it faster.
You think so?
Just want to make it faster.
Oh wow. We'd have try to catch you before you come out too far.
Okay.
Yes. So how far from here are you? Up the...
Right
Oh, so you're pretty close. You just walk out.
yes, man, you reach the wall and see this thing.
Oh, okay. Oh yes, oh yes. Oh, so we come ready. Yeah, man.
The eye. You do this one.
Yeah.
So this one left to do.
Oh, so you have to do that one as well?
Because this one get this one going to.
Oh, because you had too much strain on that one.
Yeah, so at the end I didn't like the sun. You have to reach this one. So we have to keep on this.
Oh.
To get the sun off.
Okay. Hold on.
But the yard and get all and one lime and me can come and have to pick it so if nobody may see.
Yes.
Of course, me can beg them pick one lime for me.
Oh, wow.
And me tell you something, my sister. I feel give away.
Yes, and because it is so close to the road.
Picking a one tea. So through that now, me never bother trouble.
Yes.
Because me are concerned say, lots of time we passing and going places, we see things like roadsides here
Yes.
and we tap and pick it.
All right.
Right. So you can plan back something, make somebody else
Yes,
can
that
really.
is true. You share.
Yes. One time we did have one passion fruit here, so.
Yeah?
Yes, man, and you take all of this. And it's like, una pick up in a road, so car man drive past and pick up it. But
Yeah.
1, 2, 3 just dead.
Oh, wow.
Son. Right now we can get back one nether, so.
I was just about to say I might have to plant one next one.
Yes, man, but it's to get it back.
Yes.
Just to get back one.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Nice.
You just like this and you just like time and giving thanks to see the sunshine and everything
true.
on and
Yeah. So yes, Bigga, so you're a farmer.
yes.
And so what you farm?
Well, I plant yam and banana, cocoa and different type of something.
Okay.
Mixed food.
So most days you're on your farm.
Yes, every day just on my farm because
Yes.
I don't have the strength again to go to her work to achieve goal out there. So might as well me work for myself.
Yes.
Yes, so just like myself, me work for you know. Yes, and
Okay.
sometimes it is good.
Yes.
It's good. It's good.
Right. So apart from the farming, what else do you do?
I just a straight farming with you know.
Yes.
Just a straight farming. You know. I like me raise the fowl or what, etc. when the system
Yes.
come. But you know, it kind of gets so ration for me now that out of the fowl problem, out of this problem, out of that. So you have to just leave them alone because I see the money problem, you know, it's just like the yam. And when you plant the yam, it takes you 9 months
Yeah.
to come in. So you don't know. You have to just raffle. But God was so good at times that He works some way for me far. Sometimes He saying promise to send one from far.
Yes.
Well, that happened to me now.
Okay, awesome. So,
Yes.
so Bigga, because you say you mostly do farming, but what you failed to mention, because when we met, you were actually in the process of taking some herbs to
Yes.
be exported.
Well, yes, that is like if me like me do it for myself because at the end of the day, like boiling some roots and things, and
Yes.
sometimes we do things with coal.
Oh,
You understand?
like
So
medicine for
right,
cold.
right, right, right.
Okay.
You know, say me know that you have the coal. You see, most of the system we grow with old people. Old
Yes.
people we grow with. So you know, say when we used to sick, no used to run for doctor. Run go this and then pick 2 leaf of life and then pick little cerasine and
Yes.
little this and little that and
Yes.
gather together and then we just boil it.
Yes.
Yes. All right.
All
Yes.
right.
We just boil
Okay.
it. Yeah.
So that's why you're in the
Yes,
herbal
yes,
thing
yes,
where you
yes. So,
boil the roots and so on.
yes, yes. So through that now, I kind of know a little, lots of little things we can catch together and do
Yes.
something.
Okay,
Yes,
can heal you some home
yes,
remedy.
yes, yes,
So you don't
yes,
have to
yes,
run to
yes.
the doctor all
No
the
have to, no
time.
have to, no have
Yes,
to, no
yes.
have to.
And persons may be wondering why you have on the dark glasses, but you recently had an eye
It's the eyesight,
operation.
yes, yes, the eyesight problem. When I keep on
Right.
the glasses now, it kind of keep the eye a little bit more cooler.
Yeah, and keep the sun
Yes,
out
and
of your
keep the sun.
eye.
Yes, yes,
Right,
yes,
because you'd
yes.
have done an operation on one eye because you weren't able to see from it before.
Before, yes.
So you have to keep on the glass, but later on, I don't know how long, you'll have to operate on your other eye as well.
Maybe at the end of the day, not almost still, you know, because you don't know. Sometime maybe a way back when as well, you know, have to.
Yes,
You know, every system is like if you put God before.
that's
So
true.
it's like if you believe in a God and concern in a God, you don't know, say you don't have to look about it, because God will already will seek about it for you. So
Yes,
I just say,
yes.
go
So
for everything
you
have to
go
just,
by faith.
yes, 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 you
Yes,
have to just deal with it by faith, because if it
yes.
was a faith, I wouldn't standing here now.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that takes us to the other story wherein you would have gotten sick about 3 years ago. Very,
Yes,
very
yes,
sick.
yes, yes,
Talk
yes,
to us
yes,
about
yes.
that and tell us what
Well, at the
happened.
end of the day, it was like me dey do some little work one idea and over the bush. And all pan of sudden something doesn't feel right in my body. I wonder really what could happen. But it's like a advisor said to me, say, no, I don't find a yard.
Yes.
So when we end up and when we come home, I just find myself just get sick out, sick out, sick out. And I have to get one car and one we to spalling.
Yes.
But after when me like over spalling, and I was like some mother people, converting people, start corona and start prayer for me and this and that. So I wonder really what happened.
Yes.
Yes, but
That's when you were in the hospital.
yes, yes. So at the end of the day, it's like get an injection and thing that me can come out. And from yesterday now, I start to try help myself.
Yes.
Yes, and really
So
thank
how
God
bad
say,
was it though? How bad was
very
it?
bad, you know, very
You
bad,
weren't
very
able to
bad.
walk.
No,
Because
no,
when you say it
no.
like that, it sounds like you just got sick,
No,
go in the
no,
hospital,
yes,
come out and
yes, but
better.
after that, me know, after me come out now, me can't find myself, can't walk. Right
Yes.
now, me wheelchair up at the yard right
Yeah, so
now.
you
Me
were,
stick when we have to walk with. Right now, up here, me can call for it.
yes.
Sure, you see, me couldn't walk.
So you were confined to a wheelchair
Yeah,
after that.
yes, 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 yes. But,
So how did you manage throughout that time?
well, you don't know, like, family, you know, friends rally with
Yes.
me, rally around me. So anything me need, me just call and they help me. Yeah, yeah, so.
So were you at any time doubtful that you would get better? Because now you're
Yes,
better
man.
and you're
Yes,
walking
man.
up and down
Yes,
and
man.
everything.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man. Me
Yes.
know me they got better, man. Me know me they got better because it's like with me now, to for me faith when me have, me tell God say anyhow me fi dead that him fi kill me because of him make me and him fi turn me where he want.
Yes.
You understand? But don't left me to the will of Satan.
Yes.
No. Because me left me to the will of Satan. Me not the faith, me not the patience, me not the system fi control the thing. And God really take it over and
Yes.
put me back on
Put
foot.
you back on your
Yeah, so I have to
feet.
give thanks now.
Yeah, so it took you around 3 years to
Yes,
get back
yes,
on your
yes,
feet.
yes, yes, yes. And then get back on my feet so good yet, you know, babes.
Yeah,
I
but
can get
you're
back, yes, but well, giving thanks.
yes.
Yes, I can give thanks.
Oh,
Yes, yes,
wonderful.
I can give thanks. But even that, I don't get back into the farm yet. No, I don't get back in the farm yet.
So you're taking it easy. You don't want to rush back.
No, 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 no. Well, you know, as far as with the farm, you know, like, me have a problem with it. Never a problem with it because me could have been really crippled up that me can't go back there no more.
Right.
You understand? And
Yes.
it had a mistake. I couldn't go stress myself over it. No, could
Yes.
never. Could never. So
Yeah.
that's it. And most high system now, sometimes people will say, you don't know where good for this or you don't know where good for that. Me can say yes.
Yes.
That's and so you say, all right, look some of this for me for better me cool. Look some of that if you just me sore foot.
Yeah.
Simple, simple.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. 'Cause
So you earn an income from that, just advising people on
all
what to
right, all right.
use.
Well, even now, me have a little thing, you know, where me really set up now, like the arthritis pain. Yes, and no matter the arthritis pain one bad, you can quiet it down for you.
Yes, so you're going to tell me what you use?
No.
A secret?
Yes. It's a secret. It's just
Okay.
like one at a time. Go up the step there so now.
Uh-huh.
If me not turn sideways so and go up. Me can't
Yes.
go up there because me can't go up straight way so.
Yes.
To need them pain. And it's like one at a time, like I hear one little old lady, I give another man one little instruction. But you know me, that man will love the old people. I love old people, so most of my time rally with old people. So
Yes.
let me hear the old people, I give a little information, and I say, no man, that one is sound able to me. So this man, me really take it in. So I take it in, I call them, say, you know what, we go try it.
Yes.
And it work.
Okay.
And it work.
Yes.
And when me try, and when it was say want to work, it work. I think a lots of people I give it unto, and it
Yes.
work.
And it
Yes,
work. That's
it
how they
work.
want for the arthritis.
Yes, it work. It work.
Oh.
It work. It
So
work.
anybody who have arthritis pain now,
It
they
can,
can call you?
yes, it can happen. Yes, it can
Okay.
happen. Me sure I'd say when me do, it work. And it not work with me alone. It work
Yes.
with lots of people, for lots of people to give it unto. As I say, it work, it does work.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So you talk about the what you can do for arthritis.
Well,
What about and cold? You say cold as well.
yes, even coal, you know, mean, you know, we have like a coal bush. But even like this now, this a coal bush.
That's a cold bush?
Yes, this one a coal bush.
What is it
This one is
called?
called red water grass.
Wait, what? Oh, we see this. Isn't this the one that people use like on, like decorative
Well, people
flowers?
can use it, see me decorate flowers, because people just take this for all flowers too.
Yes.
But this one called red water grass. See,
Oh,
it's a coal bush.
okay. So you can eat it like that,
Yes,
or you can
yeah,
boil
you
it like tea?
we boil it, we boil it.
Oh, you boil it to get the
yeah.
most out of it.
So any one of the bush when I tell about a bush, I can take and put it in my mouth and try it,
Yes.
make you can see it.
Okay, okay. All right. So you make things for the cold and you make things for arthritis. What
Yes, man.
else?
All different like little something, man.
Oh,
All
okay.
little something. Not the one system, you know. So you know, say sometimes you even can do something, but people not even rate what you do.
Yeah.
You understand? Because people will say, yeah, like me, that's all right. You know the bush is a cold bush. So at the end of the day, you know, me we boil it and make you get it.
Yes.
And when we say, no, yes, man, boil it and me we get some of it. And when you boil him, you want it.
Yes.
So you know where you boil and you know where you do, so you drink it.
Yes. Oh, so, and you
Then
drink it and say work.
solid.
Okay,
Solid.
okay.
Yeah, solid.
So like for the roots now, you boil that and sell it?
Yes, sometimes I sell it.
How much you sell it? How you sell it?
Sometimes I get all $2,000 bottle for it.
Oh, $2,000 bottle. So where the roots good for bigger?
It build a body, you know. Build your body all your weak and then something you can strengthen back your body.
Okay, okay. So it's pretty
Strengthen back
much
your
to
body.
build your body.
Yes,
And
yes, yes,
okay,
yes,
get
yes,
rid
yes.
of any impurities in the body
Yes,
too.
yeah, all different something. Yeah.
Okay, so that's what you do when you're not doing farming.
Yes, yes. And not even say not doing farming, during me time, by farming and so. Because sometimes me go on the farm and me they come, and at the end of the time me walk and look something same if you can come put on a fire and boil it, and then now me know me can get it for drink and interested or so me can make them can feel comfortable.
Yes.
So really me never, you do none when me never hear a man say, why this not work? Never.
Okay,
Never.
okay. So your thing's solid.
Yes, man. Always solid, man. Always
Okay.
solid. Always solid. And you see, at the end of the day, now, you see, like me now, the 67-year-old, you know.
You're 67?
Exactly.
Are you serious?
Telling you.
Guys, you have to look at that. The bigger remove the
I'm
glass.
67 years old.
But you don't look like 67.
Okay, because the things they want me do and the drink when me drink, keep myself fresh and ever young.
Yes.
Yes, really thing,
Yes.
really thing. Like sometimes when we boil all the roots and so, I
Yes.
don't care as if nobody even want it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you have
Me
it.
have it. And then now me know so well me can get a drink out of it. Sometimes you get like get a Guinness, or you
Yes.
get a supper gen, or you get any liquor system, and then you throw some liquor to it, get it mixed, then you drink.
Oh, I see. I see. I've never heard about this supplement and this thing in the.
Yes, man, it real, man.
Okay.
Me intend to look about some too. But you know, through the eye, you know, me can't.
Yeah.
Me have some of the things we dry already, you know. Yes, but through the eye, you know, me can't get in the bush, you know, for really. So me have to just wait.
You have to wait
So,
because you have to rest your eye.
Well, Carly said, well, me have about the next month left, you know, that me can really go into the bush, because we can take off the glasses and then we can drag where we want to
Yes,
drag. And then
yes,
stuff.
understand.
It's like, you know, so you have to look like the Ramon, the Brial, the strong back, and
Yes.
water whisk, blood whisk, green whisk.
Right.
Name them all over and
Yes.
get them all together. And then you get them dry, and then you can thunder them up.
Okay, okay. So you have to just wait until you're better.
Yes,
To do it.
yes,
Man.
yes.
Absolutely. So, because I know too that you export some herbs.
Yes.
How is that working out for you?
Sometimes really no. Sometimes me boil it, you know. The roots, you know, and send it go foreign.
Oh, you boil the roots and send it to foreign.
Yeah.
And you also send the natural herbs when you
Well,
dry them
want
to
the
foreign
natural
too.
one, yes, you want the natural one, you can get it. Like you
Yes.
don't want it boiled also, you can get it and you have it go over.
Yes.
Yes, and like the one we boil now, you know, say no alcohol, no drugs, not in it.
Yes.
I'm gonna boil them with it.
Right.
Yes.
Because you're
Sometimes
carrying it.
people head not so good, you know, and you go put a liquor.
And then can't manage
Then
it.
can't manage it. So you know what happened now? All the stress rests by your shoulder.
Yes.
So the best thing you want to do go fear.
Yes.
And do it clean.
Make it natural.
Yes. 'Cause sometimes people come out here, you know, and for a long time they know me and they say, well, you know, no roots there, bling, bling, blank, blank. Because sometimes, you know, me boil roots and make baby born, you know.
And what you said to me there?
May I tell you?
For real?
Boil roots and make baby born. Yes,
Also, persons who have difficulty conceiving,
man.
then drink the roots, huh?
Sometimes the problem happen to the woman, you know.
Yes.
Yes, so at the end of the time, you know, so the woman need clean up.
Yes.
Yes, because it's like we go a doctor.
Hello.
All right. Like we go a doctor, you know, and they say like, your system not straight up, so you need clean up and so. Because sometimes you have black tube.
Yes.
Sometimes you have black tube. And sometimes the man himself want a little more build up too.
That's what I was about to ask you. Can you refer to the
Yeah,
women?
Yes.
So
Sometimes the man want a little build up too. Yes, because sometimes his sperm count low.
Yes.
Yeah, so you have to build.
So it's the same roots that work for both male and female? Okay.
Same thing.
Yes.
Because Likkle this. And so we're good for time, good for Harry.
Yes.
Yeah, so we don't make nothing different. Just like if a woman want a different wash out or so, you can get that differently.
Okay, I see. And you say it's $2,000 per bottle.
Yes. But you see, sometimes, you know, you have to know you do it because you see, like we don't know license fee. Boil and
Practice.
sell and so on. So you depend your own strain. So that means you can't boil it and make nothing to people. Because you know they end up
Yeah.
in trouble. Because if doctor finds say you drink something, you will find out where you drink, where you get it.
Yes.
And so you have to do it right.
Yes. Absolutely. Absolutely.
So we have to do it.
Okay, Bigga. So,
Yes. Glad to
yeah.
meet you anyway.
Yes,
And then
man.
that thing, you know, you saw few roads here now. You saw
Yes.
few roads here. You see the difficult way you have to take for over
If you
there, so if
come
you come
over
over
the
here.
bridge.
So
Yes.
when me go around some work, you know, good way around. And when me go a bush and dig, man, carry out on the road. And if you got pay somebody if you carry from there, so going through there, so now if you go
If you
out
go,
there,
oh,
so
yes.
yes. So sometimes when the yam gone down, you even say 7,000, to yam gone at 7,100, you know. 7,100. The least we have man at work here now is 4,000 a day. So if a man even come at your place and now if I'm half day my work, you
Yes.
people not bother do their work again, a job what them a do. So you can tell them say me I give you $100.
Yes.
Can't happen. So
They have
when
the set price.
right, so when you end up and go out there, so now when you collect little money and if you pay the man they will carry, pay the man they will dig it, plus
You
yourself.
can't pencil out at
Can't pencil.
all.
So we need the bridge. Badly we need the bridge. If we there son, look on here me there son now to try to spalling. Son here. If we take sick right there son now, me can't carry one sick, you can't carry one me look here, not even living man you know, me couldn't carry him from me back over the river if you go over there.
Not
And he's
at
sick in
all.
can't walk.
Yes.
So we have to beat the road, go Balaclava, go quite round Mile Gully and find yourself quite to Mandeville.
Yes.
And in time we go come back and spalling. If you go Mandeville that easier.
True.
So we are the
Yes.
one
So you put a strain
dangerous.
on your pocket.
Yes, we have a dangerous system and you know say sometimes we don't call one carman and really in can that's why him a think about in gas. So sometimes when him a tell you say boy right now you know say I have to pay me $10,000.
Yes.
Look here, you don't you tell us you find yourself going on because you see the pain where you feel.
Yes. You can't
10,000
dispute it
can
because you're ill, you're sick, you need to go.
yes, yes. If him have to
Yes.
owe him but you come back you still have to pay him.
Yes.
Whichever end up as Pauline, so can them tell about the journey where them have to go. Yes. So if I'm Miss Pauline, so I'm say, right. I will gradually also yes, so now most of the time when me used to take sick now. He
Yes.
recently take me from here so to Pauline $6,000.
Yes. At that time we had the
Yes.
bridge.
Yes, and we have the bridge. $6,000. Worse when you come night.
Yes. It's more
Yes,
expensive.
yes. So
Okay, so you're pleading for the bridge to be
yes,
fixed.
sister.
Yes.
Dying for the bridge and we over there so we there suffer bad. We not
Yes.
like it we are suffer. Because right now if we went to go Balaclava now through the bridge, first time when the taxi used to run through and go he used to go try. But since
Yes.
the bridge brought down now, right now me have the phone number if you can call if me want. And when you call like you call 8 o'clock this morning or 10 o'clock in the kitchen so yet. Because then I go just run come so empty for you
Yeah,
alone.
just for you alone.
Yes,
And then no, you have to understand because of the gas as
Well,
well.
that's it.
Yes.
That's it. So
Oh, wow.
we need some help. We need some help. We don't know who we are get help from, but we need some help badly because we don't see now one jam stage or so.
Yeah.
Jam stage we in so. If me there so for instance and say me look one 3 or one 4 bag of bush. And a man order and say, yo, no, say me want 4 bag of bush. Me want if you export or me want if you boil what you do or look some broil or etc. And at the end of the day, when you get out of the bridge. So we have to dry cross we over
Yes,
the bridge.
yes, yes.
No one can carry 4 bag and nothing so easy.
No.
So by me walk we go there so with 1 bag and find him don't tell you saying can come over the bridge. Because he's scared of the place.
Yes.
See under the bridge when you there go back out. You look under the bridge where you see the deep hole dig down so.
There's a
You never see it here come.
I wasn't looking down because I was so scared coming across. I looked straight ahead.
Well, after you go over, after
Yes.
you meet this first piece of water, bridge, we wood, and go over to the next piece.
Yes.
So the last piece you go over now, when you go over and step on the raw land, there, so now, they look so, right
Yes.
over where you step there, so. Because if you go down through that, you know, you can't find again, you know.
Are you serious?
I tell you.
Why you have to tell me no? I mean, have to go back across
but
the
that's why
bridge.
me I tell that me you look
Oh
for
my
it. That's why
God.
you look out for
So
it.
me not drop in
That's you
there.
not, come on now.
Okay.
That you not drop in there.
Yes, I see your point now.
Yes, you
Oh
look
my
for that in a
word.
drop in there. Yes.
Yes,
You
that's
make sure.
dangerous.
Yes, you make sure that the rope and something there, you try to hold to it. That means if you slide off, because down to the long stick there, you know, me go there with the arm, me cut you and jam it there. That means they help you hold. Because if you slide off of that, you know, sister, you must see you again.
Oh my
And
God.
nobody know how deep it is.
Oh my
So you can
goodness.
look on the bottom. So.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh wow! So we hope that the bridge get fixed
Sister, right
before
now,
anything dangerous
yes, but
happens.
right now you see a piece of mega column there now in the water. You see the only running foot of it that can drop any minute, any time, any day. And if it drop, we no have no more walk to walk across.
Yeah,
Yes.
that would be it.
Yes,
That would be
the
it, because
last.
that is what is actually holding it, all those little things together
Right.
now, the rope and the bamboo and so on.
Well, at the end of the day, like me have to get rope and use some card with them take do
Yeah.
cement and get them. And you tie one piece of wood, like you turn some wood so on like a wall, tie one piece of wood so on one pan is a end. You send that the piece of wood around the wall, you send this a piece around the wall. That means you can't get the wash before you kind of balance.
Yes.
So it's when the river come down now, the log them when come down with that set piece of wood help hold some of the log. That
Okay.
it hold the log, them make you see them do that thing.
Yes, yes.
They have them three and now where me really have to go fall
Yeah.
and get out some of them. But guess what now, you see the tree now? Some of them are here, so me fall them from and get them up in a road. And then now we get car or anything and
Yeah.
draw them, can them go to the bridge.
Oh, so is you chop the tree
Yes.
so that you can get
Yes.
the logs to
Fig
put
out of the
so they
bridge.
can cross.
The trunk of the tree go to the bridge.
Oh,
Really come up here, so I look down here, so I show one tree when me fall now, but me can't get it up. You can almost look through here, so.
oh yeah, I see it.
You see
Oh, so you fall that one, but
yes,
you
to
have
get it up, but
difficulty getting
yes,
it up
yes,
here.
difficult to get it up there, so. You see it? Yeah. So at the end of the day, so we have to do them.
Yes.
So we have to do them. Tree fall out in this bush here, so see them here too. But it's to get it up. To get it up. And that's we trouble.
Oh wow.
Well, really are them something, you know, them trumpet, you know, with the plants. Me the plants, but true, me can't do no chopping yet. But me I go say me can get some of them and put them together.
So that you can
But
have them down
yes,
there
now
for the
have them
time
out there, so,
being.
yeah,
Okay.
because like how we set the rope them, you know, and hold the log them. And so if we get them something, you know, and put the water, so monitor them, figure them way. Because we
Yes.
can tie them.
Yes.
You can just go put them down, so. Only part time, you see them, we run a sign and make a long ladder, you know. When we put them in the water bottom here, so, and put you up on the top of the bridge up at top, you know. And people have to walk from down here, so go straight up there, go up the piece of road, you know.
Oh wow.
Because they can't walk in the middle of the water, did so. So after that,
Yes.
now we just start to get and say, well, all right, plan, change the plan and do what you have to do.
Yes.
And that's where we got it there, so. And a
Yes.
whole lot of people walk there still, you know. Whole lot of people,
Yeah.
because there's no else there for walk.
So in the meantime, that is how you're surviving.
Yes.
In order to cross the bridge.
Yeah.
Well, Bigga, it certainly was a pleasure talking with you.
Yes, I'm glad to meet you and
Yes.
to see how we have to suffer in the corner. Yes, so we
Yes.
don't know if you can do anything to help you in the corner. But anyway, you make
Yes.
a plea for us.
Yes.
And we appreciate it.
You're most welcome.
Yes.
And thank you for having us.
Well.
And I know you're doing some good work in terms of, assisting to clean up your
Yes.
little corner.
We got very little system
Yeah.
that we work up. We
And
can make.
ensuring that you can put logs across
Yes,
the
yes,
so
yes,
persons
yes,
can actually,
yeah,
so
yeah,
commendations for that, So it was a pleasure talking to you, like I said before.
Thank
All
you.
right?
Thank you. Thank you.
Mr.
Thank
Bigga.
you. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, viewers and subscribers, until next time, this is where the video ends. Thank you for making it a little Everything Jamaican. Blessed love and stay safe, and see you next time. All right.
Thank you all for y'all come and interview the thing. All me house and interview the little cottage in the pan. I saw me the pan, you see on the hill, on the rock.
That's on the rock.
On the rock. They said the wise man built on the rock. And when they said the other man went here, the fool man, the selfish man built on the sand.
Yes. So you are the wise man, you are the rock. All right, Bigga.
Yes.
Big up yourself.
Yes, well, let's see myself.
Yeah, man.
Glad to meet you.
Yeah, man. Pleasure.